Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling Bluetooth on your iPhone and unlocking it. This lets the device discover new radios. Next, power the Jensen radio and immediately press the source or phone button to enter Bluetooth pairing mode so the radio advertises itself. Once the radio shows pairing or a blinking Bluetooth icon, open Settings on the iPhone and tap Bluetooth. Make sure nothing else is actively connected. Isolating the connection prevents accidental pairing with another device. On the iPhone Bluetooth screen, scan the available devices and tap the Jensen entry when it appears. This initiates the handshake. If a PIN prompt appears, enter the common code such as 0000 or 1234, or simply accept the pairing dialog. This verifies both devices. Once paired, the radio usually emits a beep, and the iPhone shows connected next to Jensen. Now open music or a streaming app and play audio briefly to confirm the phone is routing sound to the radio. After successful pairing, make sure the Jensen is selected as the audio output in the iPhone control center so calls and media route correctly. Leave both devices powered briefly to let them register each other for automatic reconnection in the future. If sound or reconnecting fails, restart the iPhone and power cycle the Jensen, then choose Forget this device in Bluetooth and repair. This clears stale profiles. One key troubleshooting tip. If pairing repeatedly fails, reset the Jensen's Bluetooth memory per its manual, then repeat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.